All right, 6mm arc, 200 yards. We're just going to take a look at the difference between the drop between the Precision Hunter and the Hornady Black from 200 to 100. Now we're going to do 3 shots. I don't know if if the camera's picking these up or not. All right, here we go. We got the Hunter right here. We got the Black right here. We're gonna that's the flyer, and we're gonna go with these two right here as far as the level. We're aiming here, definitely. As you see, they're both shooting off to the right, so I need to make an adjustment, that's no doubt. But just out of curiosity, if you're also wondering, at 100 yards when I shoot, how much further this is going to be, or how much closer that's going to be in on each one. So we're gonna call these. I'm just drawing, connecting. That's a flyer. But we got, I mean, that's a 3-inch circle. It's under 3 inches. That's like 2. It's extremely windy, as y'all could tell by the shooting video, even if I can put that up. But here we go. Now we're going to come up to the 100-yard mark and take a shot on each one and see how it goes. We're actually going to do 3-shot groups. Uncle Jim, we're going to shoot more than one time. 100 yards. Precision Hunter up first, then the Blacks are next. Got a flyer. Always got a flyer. All right, let's go take a look and see what we got. All right, here we go. On the with the Precision Hunters, we're pretty much, pretty much staying the same at 200 and 100. I mean, you got a flyer out here. I got them right here. That's under an inch. You throw that in there. That's about 2 inches, a little over. Flyer, I ain't too worried about it. Then down here, we got here and here with the flyer. We actually went up a little higher with them, but I mean, still, all in all, if you take this right here and you take this right here, it's about 1.5 inch difference. These are pretty much, I would call, the same. You need to pay attention to when you're zeroing in that if you're just, that far off, that there's a possibility at 200 yards, you go from being that at 200 if the wind wasn't the culprit there. So that's why you always still make it click in, get it in, because you can still, the further you get out, the wider it's going to get. But there you go. Not really a drop at all between all of them. It says it zeroes out at 200 yards, but then you also got to think that the scope is sitting up a little higher and everything else. So there you go. If you're wondering what the difference is between Precision Hunter and Hornady Blacks, the elevation difference from 200 to 100, ta-da!